single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make some rice and peas. Here I have 2 cups of red peas and 3 cloves of garlic in 6 cups of water. It was soaking since last night. I'm going to add it to my pot. I'm going to add some more water to that. And here I have a tablespoon of salt. I'm just going to add this. Just going to stir that in. We're going to boil this for 45 minutes to an hour, or until the peas is cooked. I'm going to check the peas now to see if it's cooked. Peas ready. So I'm going to season the pot now. I have 800 ml of coconut milk here, which is 4 cups of coconut milk. I'm going to add that. My scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, scallion, and pimento berries. I'm just going to stir this in, bring it to a boil, taste the pot, and then we add our rice. I'm going to go ahead and wash my rice. Okay. Good, I don't need to add any more salt. I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. Cover and cook for 30 minutes on medium heat. Alright. Our rice is ready. Just remove the thyme and stuff. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. Bye.